Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. So last time, today in this video, I want to show you when last time when we were installing OpenSeesPy. So if your Python version is different, you could not install Python. So what we did, we used uh, we used Python 3.8 to install that. So this was the uh, method. We created an environment for Conda SeesPy, and then we did install OpenSees. So now, in this video, there's a tool to, if you're using OpenSea, there's a tool BraineryWiz that shows different deformed shapes. So this version use actually 3.11 or higher versions. So if you use 3.8 version, you cannot use this tool because uh, like this gives you an error. So, but now what we have to do if we want to run BraineryWiz and uh, Python together. So what we will do so this is like you if you use this Python version and then just install BraineryWiz, this version, you can run both of these together. So I already did. I will just show you. First of all, I created an environment open sees by uh, 3.12.4 version, and then I will activate this one, OpenSea, won't activate OpenSea, and then I will install pip install brain version 0.9. So if you just do this, it will automatically install Python, pip install BraineryWiz 0.96, and then if you can do if you can do both method like if you want to use this OpenSea version, you can also type this, but if you don't do this one, just install BraineryWiz that all already installed the latest version of Python, OpenSeesPy. And if you're using Spyder, you can use Spyder. But if you so then if you do this, then if you run this in Spyder or Cursor, it will run. I will also show you once. This was the Python version. Let's say this one. So here I'm using this Python version we just installed, and this this one you can see it is importing BraineryWiz and also OpenSeesPy. So let's run this. So if you see if it already model built successfully. So this one, yeah, I don't know. Let's see if I have. I don't know if we have because this model is installing import calling VFO. So I don't recall if I installed VFO in Spyder and the new Spyder. So this is how you will solve this issue. Uh, like if you want to run both, let's see this now. Okay, it's running now. Okay, great. Yeah, it's running now. So this is how you will run both BraineryWiz and OpenSeas together. You just need to follow these instructions.